Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Pamela, and on today's video I am going to be showing you how to get this look. These are heatless curls and I have, hey whoever the freak. I have 4A, 4B, 4C, 4Z textured hair, and I wanted a little bit of a change from, you know, the braids and the weave and the wigs. So if you guys are interested in how to get this style, it is heatless and it is really awesome. And even my baby girls, my big girl, she wanted to come on here and, you know, say hi. So yeah guys, if you're interested in how to attain this style, then keep on. Wow guys, wow, welcome to my life with having kids. Yeah guys, so keep on watching, why don't you? Oh my goodness guys, so welcome back. It is 3:51 a.m. as I'm filming this video. So to start off, the products you'll need is some water, gel, some mousse, a brush to brush your hair out, some bands, you know, to tie your hair up, some clips to separate things, and you will need your curlformers. Alright, so yeah, I already pre-moisturized and detangled my hair, so all I'm doing now is just taking it down and sectioning it off. Oh my gosh, I have not used this product in honestly 6 years, so this thing was dusty AF guys. So how the curlformers work is that it comes with two pieces, a top and a bottom, and you have to hook them together. And then that hook will go inside of the curlformer and your hair will be pulled through the curlformer. So to start off, I just moisturized my hair. I'm gonna add a little bit of gel and some mousse, and then I'm gonna detangle that through. But you're gonna see later on I add a little bit more product because you really want your hair to set. You don't want it to just be like frizzy. At the end of the day, you want your style to be pretty and you want it to last. So it's always good to do it right the first time around. I decided to get a finer tooth Denman brush because, you know, I really want the product to get evenly distributed to the strands. So yeah. The method I recommend for proper good installation is you twist your roots a little bit in order for your hook to hook onto your hair. So you twist it a bit and then hook the hook on, and then you hold your hair taut as you're hooking, and then you're making sure that you're holding the curlformer at the base, and then you're going to take your hook and you're going to pull it through the curlformer. I know that sounded really confusing, but if you watch what I'm doing, it makes more sense to visually learn than just hear my voice rambling on. So go ahead and section off your hair. Get a section size however you want. Clip what you don't need aside. Then apply a bit of gel. Making sure to coat every strand as best as you can. And definitely guys, focus on the ends, because if your ends are frizzy, your style is not pretty. Period, point blank. And then in order to not have a crunchy feel with the gel, I like to add a bit of mousse. The mousse just softens the hair so much. And then, like before, I take my Denman and I am going to comb out the product, brush out the product. This part again is also very, very crucial. Your product application and how smooth your hair is really is imperative. So go ahead and stick your hook through the curl former. Grab your hair taut, twist it a little bit at the root, hook your hook, push up your curl former, holding your hair taut, hold the hair curl former at the base of your head, and then pull the hook through the curl former. The closer the curl former is to your scalp, the better your style will be, the flatter your roots are going to be. So go ahead and repeat these steps throughout the remainder of your hair. And yeah. Alright, so I just zoomed in a bit to the front now to show you what I mean. I'm twisting a bit too much over here, but as long as you're twisting, you can untwist now. You hook your curl former hook. This is one thing about curl formers I hate. Sometimes the hooks unhook and dislodge, and you're pretty much gotta go back to square one. So make sure your hook really clicks and then stick it through the curl former, and then we're gonna give this another try. Twist the roots a bit. The twisting at the roots just ensures the hook fully grabs onto every single hair and strand that you want for that section. Making sure that your hair is well detangled, we're going to hook the hook at the base, holding onto the hair taut and making sure that the curl former is on the scalp. You're going to pull the hook through the curl former. I'm just going to show you guys one more time. And pretty much, guys, that's it. I'm gonna complete this to the rest of my head. Finally, oh my gosh, the last strand. By now I am so exhausted. It's like 5 something. I am so tired and I cannot wait to go to sleep. The last hooking through curl forming to twisting of the rooting to hooking of the hook to tauting to holding to releasing to pulling to curl forming. And we're done, everybody. Oh my gosh. That's it. That's it. Make sure that you're alternating the colors, you know, pink to orange to pink to orange, because each color goes in one direction. 5:19. I'm so tired, guys. So yeah, go ahead and tie your hair up and call it a night. See you in the morning. so it's the next day, and I'm going to take these bad boys down. I've slept on them for hours. I'm gonna start to take these down, and I'm gonna start from the back and work my way forward. So how I take these down is I unroll them and I open them at the mouth and I let it out. I unroll it with my thumb, open the mouth, and pull the hair out. Unroll, open mouth, and let my hair out. Last one. Put my hair up, and I'm just going to, from the roots, just unloosen these. And we're done, guys. I have a new style. I added a little bit of just gel to my edges just to have them, looking a little, like I've tried, because Lord knows how late I was up. did a little bit of baby hair, and that's it. So bouncy, so easy for any texture, for any race. Sis on here is white, so guys, you can be white, you can be black, you could be Asian, you could be, you know, Indian, Latina, whatever. This works for you. This works. Yes guys, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Join this little cookie family because we're pretty awesome here. Click that notification bell so you can be notified any and every single time I upload a video. I am so happy to have been able to make a hair video for you guys. I have not done a hair video in eons, so yes, I am so happy and I hope you enjoy. If you try this out, let me know. And guys, I will see you in the next one.